How to auto translate messages in Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can auto translate any messages in Microsoft Teams. So if you are been talking with a different client from a different country or someone who speaks different language in Teams, then there is a high chance that you might not be understanding what they want to write. So in this particular case, what you can do is simply enable the auto translation. This you can achieve by first navigating to the team settings. So in order to navigate to the team settings, first click onto these three dots just present besides your profile picture. Once you click here, choose the settings from the drop down menu, and within the settings page, you will need to click onto this general option. Now within general, scroll down, and once you will scroll down, you will come across this translation section. Within the translation, you will see the translation message language, like you would like to translate the message into English, and then how to handle messages in other language. So you can choose this ask me before translating. You can simply select it, and from here choose auto translate all messages. Now once you are done with this, all of the messages that you will receive in native languages will be automatically translated to the English language. So that's how easily you can enable auto translation for all of the languages or messages that you receive in your Microsoft team. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.